Welcome to InstantGMP. Today we're excited to introduce you to one of our key features, specifications. Designed with FDA compliance at the forefront, specifications provide our users with an essential tool to ensure compliance effortlessly. This feature enables users to electronically manage, track, and audit material specifications, all securely stored in the cloud. Let's explore the specifications section together. Here you'll find a comprehensive list of materials along with their specification status. A gray check indicates an unedited specification, yellow denotes initial approval, and green signals quality assurance approval. By selecting an unedited specification, you begin filling in essential fields such as the effective date, retest and expiry periods, safety information, and handling instructions. But the real heart of the specification lies in the testing and methodology section. Here you can outline tests, methods, and acceptance criteria tailored to your organization's needs. These tests and methods are defined during the setup process under the Setup folder. Once entered into the database, creating a material specification is a breeze. Simply add a test, select a method, and define the criteria. Once this section is completed and signed, the specification receives a yellow checkmark, indicating that it's ready for quality assurance review. After all necessary signatures are obtained, the checkmark turns green, indicating final approval. Now you can easily print the specification off for audits or external reviews. With InstantGMP, managing specifications is simple, intelligent, and efficient. Experience the ease of digital specifications with InstantGMP today.